All right, guys, here it is, the 2022 Husqvarna Norden 901 Adventure. I personally have been super excited about this bike. Been waiting for it for like 3 years now since they teased that first concept prototype. Guys, it's pretty sweet. I've got to take it for a little spin here around the parking lot, and it feels different than the 890 Adventure as far as seating. I feel like it's wider right here for sure. But my knees grip right here really well. I think especially if you put some grip tape or something right there down the line, you'd really like that. The position is comfortable. You sit very upright. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here for you guys. First, I'm going to show you what the screen looks like when it comes on. Pretty cool. I love how bright these screens are, guys. You can see them. You can see them at high noon with the sun in your eyes and sun shining right on them, no problem. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and listen to it. Just love the sound, guys. Such a sweet bike. I've got another video where I go over the differences between this bike and the 890S and the 890R KTM. To make the long story short, it's a perfect middle ground bike between the two that I think is just styled maybe a little different, a little cool, more of that adventure bike styling. Another spot where this one differs is instead of the black plastic guards at the bottom, well, it still does have the plastic guard behind here, but it's got this aluminum guard that goes over the plastic guard and doesn't scream fuel tank when you look at it now. You can still see the tanks there, but because there's so much fairing here and there's those covers, the fuel tank doesn't stick out, doesn't look like a sore thumb quite as much as it tends to on the 890 Adventure. Just a beautifully styled bike. I love the craftsmanship and the just the little stuff in the hand guards. Like, it's glossy black here, matte black here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got Husqvarna motorcycles right here. A lot of the other hand guards don't have any kind of detail like that. No, it's already got the aux lights on it, which is pretty sweet. I truly like the bike, guys. All right, let's just take a spin on it real slow around the parking lot. right, guys, that's it. Your 2022 Husqvarna Norden 901. We finally got one here. I believe as of publishing this one is available still. And I know we have at least one more coming. So if you're interested in a Norden, you need to contact sales@aomc.mx and somebody will get you hooked up with what you need. Thanks so much for watching these videos. I tried to get you guys this bike uploaded as soon as possible. I'm pretty sure I had the first Norden unboxing in the USA up on the channel. So one guy disputes that, but he can't drop any evidence. So if you appreciate that kind of stuff, hit the red button. If you want to go a step further and join my race team, meaning you can contact me, ask me bike questions, we can talk about bikes all day, then hit the blue join button. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.